welcome, welcome. Trident Woman YouTube channel. Deep breath, confirmed. I'm right here in this beautiful scenery, ocean, water, connection to the soul, air, cleansing all the physical body. And this video, it's a short video. I just wish to give you a little boost and little clarity of dimensions and neutrality. As we all know, and of course I'm speaking to the source players, the true ones who are connected, neutrality is the key in this game. This life game is duality, good and bad, day and night, cold and hot, ocean and forest, anything. Just dig in and have fun with it, because this life is created by us. This duality is created by us for discovering and for making sure that we stay right on the mid, in neutrality, right? We would never know what is good without the bad and what is bad without the good. But what we have to do, we have to appreciate both of them. Because if you do not appreciate the bad, you'll get punished by subconscious mind. And exactly what you judge as the bad is going to come back to you. So that's why neutrality is the key, because you have to be aware that these good things that you are experiencing would never happen without the bad ones. And that is what is this life game about. This is our job here, to rise our frequency all the way up to neutrality. Now, what most of my videos are, and what you were always hearing, was that bridge between the 4D and the 5D, right? The consciousness is the 4D, the mind, and the 5D is awareness, the heart. This is already, there's already enough of materials in my YouTube, in books that we have created with powerful source players, and we're still creating. There's a huge one coming up about the addictions, and there you have also explained a little bit more what I'm talking about here. But what I wish to let you know, and I'm speaking now to the source players who are in the 10D, yes, you are able to tap in to 10D, 11D without doing a liver flash. But without doing a liver flash, you don't have a protection shield that, in case if something takes you, and most of the time is the judgment, you go down in the frequencies. And if you have not done the liver flash, you might go even lower than AD. When you do the liver flash, AD is the tabs that you can, like slip down. Of course you can slip down lower, but I'm talking to the strong ones, and you know who I'm talking to. And I'm aware that you slip down, and I'm aware that it's tough and hard, because we think, oh, okay, 10D neutrality is so awesome. Now I have full control over the mind. Now, I'm sitting right here, and I don't care about any family trap, any relationships traps, any addictions traps. No, it's not like that. What coming into the 10D neutrality, and please get that, and you can only get that when you align with this frequency. And to be aligned with this frequency, it's also by supporting and donating for the higher frequency source player. So if you haven't donated for this channel, you're not gonna get this information. I invite you to leave, and you don't even have to listen to this. Also, if you were in my Patreon and you have decided to leave, you are permanently blocked. So if you're also watching this video, please, you are not in that frequency. This is not a judgment, it's simply the statement, and that's what it is. We put, all of us source players with the neutrality, we put a lot of work to be here. And there is no free ride here. Absolutely not. Everything in this game is energy exchange. So when you go and tap into the 10D frequency, what is exactly happening is that everything what you were going through, you're going through again. And now it actually hits harder because you don't have that fake outlet. You don't numb yourself from these feelings and emotions. You cannot numb your mind. So your mind actually spins much, much, much stronger, much, much, much faster. And it's not as easy as you think, oh, okay, now I'm 10D and that's it. No, absolutely not. It's another level of controlling your mind. You actually have to put way more effort, at first, of course, to get yourself stable in this plateau. To stay in that 10D. It's a big, big hit. Big hit. So please don't discourage yourself. Please be aware that this is only to control your mind and experience this life much, much more beneficial, more beautiful, and exactly as you wished. That's exactly what it is. And then also always remembering that the manifestation is all moment long. If you say, oh, it's hard in that neutrality, then it's going to be hard. And yes, of course, it's not about the hard or not hard, but takes a lot of work, and inner work, shadow work. Every single one of us has to work on your shadow all moment long, pretty much every day. You know, as the winner of this game says, just cut that bag of the sand out of the air balloon and lift yourself up and lift yourself up. Check with the pendulum. Any source player has a pendulum and knows how to use it. Please check with the pendulum. Am I the source player outside of the box or 11D? Please do so, because I checked every single one of us. The ones that, of course, are in my awareness. And some of you are not in my awareness, but I know you are here. As long as you're rising your frequency to neutrality, your job is done. And as I said, we are collaborating now, deep breath, with many source players, with the books, and we can collaborate only with the source players who are 8D and up. It's truly not possible to collaborate with someone even from 7D, because it takes so much energy to repeat over and over and over again the same thing. So for the creation, for here, you really have to be 8D and up, and actually 10D is what will keep us to continue and work with you, because that's the goal here. Okay, so thank you so much for all of those who are supporting, who are donating. I appreciate you very much. So much abundance to you. And just to wish to share, some of you might notice, and probably on my Instagram, I start wearing the copper on my left arm for the iron deficiency, because many of the source players are not aware that when you get to the full neutrality, you're actually going through lots of healing of your body as well. So questioning any source player that, oh, how can you be in even outside of the box and still you getting sick, and it's not getting sick, it's being healed. And by this we can share more how much more we can heal. So the copper on my arm is for ferritin. It helps ferritin to open up. Our ferritin is responsible for the iron flowing in our body. So in the connection of copper helps with that. And I have also something I actually decided to experience for the last time, something which is a concert on the beach of one of the group, and the music that I like it. It's still the game, and we enjoy what we enjoy. But I have figured out, and I wish to share this with a nice protection. This is the Trident Woman copper crown, and this fully makes me protects my crown from, I feel like, anything like extra sounds or anything like that. So this is what I what I wear, for example, when I do the healing sound bath, when I'm gonna go for that concert. Just got that done recently by a powerful source player, also located in Netherlands. Wish to say thank you so much. On my Instagram you can also see these things, and on my Patreon, maybe I don't do the posts on the Patreon, but what I do, I have there a chat that at least once a week I throw something in, for example, ways of detoxing, or recipe for some nice gluten-free plant-based meals. Or I found that much easier to, if someone has a question, I can answer right away. So yeah, this is just a little update, and remind you to stay neutral now, remind you that we are all one, and every single one of us has a choice. No matter what we do in this live game, in the source we are all together, so please enjoy. And it's your choice, who you are with, what do you do, who you listen to. Yeah, but you always have to remember that the true one has never ever time to even wish you anything negative, to do something to you. It's never possible. We have to control our own mind. How would we find the time to control someone's mind? Or it's not the thing. That's the power of unity and oneness, that we are all one and we are working for all of us, no matter. And of course, supporting a high frequency source player, you only getting better. I have received many messages from the source players telling me that once when they were in a connection with us, they were rising frequency, and when that connection broke off, they went down. And sometimes that's exactly what you have to go through. We have to go down to rise up. So most important is never give up. You are enough. You have all what is needed to rise your frequency up to the neutrality. And each of us is going through some health issues. And it's not about to tell us how hard it was. It's about tell us how easy it is to stay once when you commit to it. Once when you realize, okay, now I'm fully responsible. Now I'm fully in that neutrality state, and I have to face it all over and over again. Close it and let it go. That's shadow work. That's all what it is. So I feel most of the traps for us when we are in neutrality is the judging. Why you care? Why you care that I have a crown, and she put a crown now or something? What, is it you doing it? Why you care that someone has a makeup? Is it you doing it? Why you care that someone is dressing like that or listening to this music? Is it you doing it? No. So take care of your responsibility in this game and stop judging others, because you're only going down. Stay neutral. Deep breath.